Hello, hello! Welcome to Myra Experience. Ako po si Myra Manibog. And of course, today we're going to try another restaurant. This is my first time dito sa Fable here in BGC. So join me in experiencing Fable. Yan. So this is our appetizer, shrimp dumpling with XO ponzu sauce.
Yeah, this is para siyang flower. Para siyang flower arrangement.
Yeah, this is our soup, lobster brisk with leeks. Yan ang sliders na order ni Alexandra. Oh.
Sausaw ko ba sa XO yung ano? yung chips.
Naman ang order ko na black truffle tortellini. Kinaya ko sa MasterChef. Thank you, baby girl, sa treat mo. I love you. Ay, ang pangat ko, ngarag. Anyway, tapos na kaming kumain sa Fable. I like the ambience. The place is beautiful. Para siyang mythical forest. May ganun ang kanyang concept, no? And ang pagkain niya ay masarap naman. Okay lang. Para sa akin lang, para sa price niya, it's a bit expensive. Sa quantity ng serving, and yung lasa niya, although masarap, it's not yung hahanapin mo at babalikan mo yung sarap, di ba? Yung parang mapapanaginipan mo siya sa sobrang sarap. Ganon. Meron kasing ganon di ba? Na restaurant na talagang hahanapin mo yung lasa na unique yung taste, kumbaga. So, ang rating ko, but the service is good, the place is beautiful. One time in your life, you have to try it. You have to try and visit the place kasi maganda yung ambience. Habang hindi pa luma, habang bago pa, puntahan nyo na. Diba? Ang rating ko para sa Fable is 3.5 stars. Yoo! So thank you very much for watching my experience, and I'll see you again on my next adventure. Siguro next time sa Bali na tayo. Ay, hindi pa pala, next month pa yun. Magdo-Dolce and Gabbana muna kami.
Dinendeluca.
Dinendeluca pala. Sige, bye-bye.